Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Portable Air Conditioner, 2021, 12,000 BTU, AC Unit Dehumidifier Cooling up to 350 square feet. With LED touch panel remote control washable filter universal wheel window kit. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Nabedun 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner for room can cool down an area of 350 square feet. It is an ideal home AC unit that designed to be an air conditioner that can be used in all rooms. With 4 universal wheels, you can easily move it to your basement, office, bedroom, living room, garage, etc. In addition to cooling your room, our air conditioners also remove moisture from the air. This amazing 2-in-1 air conditioner can remove up to 60 liters of moisture per day. It's almost as powerful as a dehumidifier that costs $100. Nabedun products always get the most bang for your buck. Our air conditioners use self-evaporation tech. It does away with the need for drain hoses or water catching trays, and that means no mess, no hassle. What's more, due to its contracted design, the Nabedun air conditioner takes only a few minutes to install and remove. No more repeatedly leaving your bed or couch to adjust your AC unit. Nabedun portable air conditioner for room comes with a functional remote to enable you to control the air conditioning fan within up to 20 feet. All functions can be remotely controlled: cooling speed, temp setting, swing, 3 modes, dehumidifier /sleep/auto. Nabedun SMA portable air conditioner uses an innovative 3-side air outlet design, not only blowing from the front but also left and right, which makes the AC unit perform outstanding in air circulation. The fan blades oscillating 120 degrees bring cool breeze to every corner of your home. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.